Okay, this is pretty cool. And you could put this in the category of fun AI, but it's also very helpful if you're working remotely or if you're in a mobile location you're not used to working in. In those situations, we have to consider our background, and virtual backgrounds are a great way to be able to do that. But how do you find the right image? You could always just pick one of the stock images and use the same one every meeting you have. I like a little spice in life, so I like to mix it up from time to time, and I like to use AI Companion to be able to help generate that perfect image for my Zoom meetings in just a matter of seconds. Let me show you how it works. So inside of the Zoom desktop application, I have the side panel here where I can ask questions. Now in here, I can use AI Companion and ask questions about Zoom's virtual background generator. And it's going to be able to give me some information that I need to be able to understand it a little bit better. I can also ask questions like, give me some tips. What are some suggestions on making that perfect virtual background? That's going to give me some better insight in terms of how I best design the prompt in order to be able to have AI Companion. But if you're not great at prompting, that's okay. AI Companion is great at helping you with your prompts. So I can ask AI Companion, in fact, to create the prompt. So in this case, we're going to ask Zoom AI Companion to build a prompt that's 1 or 2 sentences long, and the image should be photogenic, low light, and showing a mountain range outside of an office window. So this is a pretty good, what I believe is a good virtual background for my upcoming meetings here. So I can click on the profile picture in the upper right-hand corner, select settings, go down to background and effects. And you can see here underneath the virtual backgrounds tab, the option to create virtual backgrounds with AI Companion. Now I can just simply copy and paste what was generated from that side panel, and AI Companion will go to work in building 2 options for me to consider. And I like, let's say I like this one here. And just by selecting it changes. Now I can try again and have the model actually create 2 new images. Or if I like the image, but I just want to tweak it a bit, maybe I want to select one of these artistic styles down at the bottom and have it modify the image to be something a little bit more what I imagine. And a lot of times you get great ideas from these that you didn't really anticipate. And there we go. That's a pretty good, great example of a virtual background created just in a matter of seconds.